the environment is so good, and there is a lots of teacher there. Provided a good service.
Yes, I'm very thankful. Allah sent me this coaching center. Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I am also fine. And you?
I am also be fine. Thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from Borishal city. This is a small city, but it's a beautiful city. And there are lots of visiting places.
Yes. I stay here for 5.5 years for my graduation. I'm from Brownbaria. It's a renowned city. It's cultural heritage, particularly in sing and literature. It's also famous for sweet, Sanamukhi, and it's a handloom industry. How many members in your family?
Except my father and mother, I have 5 family members, and I am the younger son in my family.
Okay.
And my father is a gov servant. I have elder brother and one elder sister. Which class do you read in?
Last year I completed my BSc Civil Engineering from Borishal Engineering College. Before joining English Fantasy, I continue job as an assistant teacher at a renowned school and college, which is situated Naranoya signboard. The school name is Asian Indian School and College. I'm an assistant teacher of science department. I learn the student physics, chemistry, and math, and sometimes I learn them English. One of my teacher who is a IELTS student. That's why every week Thursday we learn a spoken session for 40 minutes. That's the good thing for me.
Yes,
what's your future goal?
Actually, I complete my IELTS. I go to the abroad, and this is a selected country is Germany.
Yes.
This is my dream.
I'm also this kind of dream. After complete my graduation, I think MSc from abroad, it's a good decision for me.
Yes,
that's why I chose English Fantasy, because here is an environment all time we speak in English. If we say in Bangla, then we'll be 5, 10 taka, 20 taka. That will be a great motivated every student who come in English Fantasy. I'm very thankful Allah sent me this coaching center, and I pray for every teacher who connected this English Fantasy. What's about our new students who come our English Fantasy?
Obviously, they come here because the environment is so good, and there is a lots of teacher there. Provided a good service.
Yes.
So this is the
great opportunity. It's a great opportunity for every student. Their dream who get their MSc or bachelor degree from abroad. That's good. Nice to meet you again. We'll see you soon, inshallah. Thank you.